I mean, how hard can that be, right? It's looking nasty. Hey guys, it's Chelsea, and today I'm going to be baking one of those minimalist style cakes that I've been seeing floating around on Pinterest, and it's been pretty popular on YouTube, so I figured why not make one for my birthday. So I'll be using this Pillsbury gluten-free mix because I'm gluten sensitive. I'm hoping it does not taste horrible because I've never tried it, and I know like sometimes gluten-free products can turn out like just not good. So we're hoping for the best. But yeah, let's just get into it. I already opened the box, but okay, cool. You just need to like mix all the ingredients together.
Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
Okay, so we got the cake mix. Love funfetti. And then 1 cup of water. So I can't find the measuring cup, so I'm just gonna use like a 1/3 cup. And 1 cup. I always mess this up. Like I put too much or too little. That was 3, right? And then a 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, and then 3 eggs. Oh gosh, oh no. It's looking nasty.
You're nasty.
I don't know how well I'm showing it. Let's mix her up.
Mix it all together.
Is that it? That seems like it's it.
That is not correct.
Is that the egg? Ew. Ooh, okay, I want to say it's done. So for the baking pans, I have a couple different sizes. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. I'm thinking like a small 2-layer cake and then like 1 regular one, but I don't even know how this will fill up, so let's see. So I have these like small pans. I'm sure this will be fine to get like the, ew, what is this? 2 layers, like that. Feels very thick. Okay, let's pour her in. Oh shoot, you know what? I need to oil the pans. Okay, that might be too much. And then I have this pan, which is like has that spring thing. You know what? Let me first see how this goes. It's kind of like bread dough. I feel like, isn't cake mix supposed to be a lot more runny? So I don't think there's enough batter for this pan. I'll use the rest of the batter for cupcakes.
1 hour later. Bruh.